So today, I'm going to make a pizza from scratch. Then this is our all-purpose flour and a teaspoon. And this is yeast. Then warm water. Then sugar and salt. And a bowl. Then we also need to clean your hands. Okay, so we start. We need all-purpose flour, 2.5 bowl of the all-purpose flour, and this is the 1 bowl. This is the 2. You can put any bowl like this small. Half. This is the yeast, the instant yeast, and you're going to get it with 1 teaspoon. So this is the teaspoon of yeast. Just put it. We need 2 teaspoons of sugar. 1, 2. Then half of salt. Then we need to mix all of this with a spatula. You can use any spatula or something to mix it on. So you start with doing it like this before mixing it like this. Then we're going to put the warm water. Ouch, ouch, ouch. My tatay will help me a little bit. Then like this half, mix it. Then we're going to put another hot water. Then mix it again. We already put all the water. We're almost done mixing the dough. Then after when we're mixing, we're going to let it set for 1 hour. Let's just start mixing it for it will be good in 1 hour. I will let it set and cover it with a cloth. For 1 hour. Oh, this is the prata that we make. The pizza that we make. So yes, it's a